how to purchase magical items in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily purchase different magical items. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here, I'm in different situation of this gameplay. Now you can easily buy magical items here on the right top. So here you can see the coins that you have accumulated. So you can easily buy them by just simply tapping on it. So as you can see, I have already bought the equipment. Now you'll be able to use the equipment easily inside the game. So here, simply try collecting the coins and you'll be able to collect different damage options that are available in the gameplay. So use it and you will be able to be more powerful in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.